The annual inspection of the Prevectron includes many different tests. First, we go and test the grounding to ensure that we still have 10 ohms resistance or less in both of the grounding down leads. Then we also check our bonding to make sure that every bonding that we can see available, we look at it and test to make sure that we have tightness on connection. Lastly, we go up on top and we check and make sure the Prevectron is working. We check every one of these lower probes with the main rod as it's connected here. That test up through the rod, or up through the lower probe, over to the rod, and actually checks the capacitor to make sure that that circuitry in the capacitor is working. After we do that, we take this, put it up on all 6 of the different probes up on top, and we check the upper circuitry to make sure that we have continuity between all of these down to the lower ones. This is the only system that can be tested, ESE system. Nothing else that I have seen throughout the industry is really testing the performance of the product. It may be testing continuity, but cannot test like we do with the Prevectron. There's a report that comes in from this, from the field, from our installers, that is sent in and put into your file, and the insurance then is upgraded and for another year.